Want to watch YouTube while replying to messages or browse the web while taking notes? Your Vivo X300 supports split screen, letting you use two apps at the same time for better multitasking. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use split screen on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Step 1. Open the recent apps. First, open the app you want to use. For example, you could open YouTube, WhatsApp, Chrome, or any other app that supports split screen. Open the recent apps to your Vivo phone to swipe up and hold, or tap the Recent Apps button if you're using navigation buttons. Locate the app you want to use in split screen. Step 2. Enable split screen. Tap the app icon or the menu at the top. From the available options, select split screen. The app will automatically move to the top half of the screen. Now choose your second app from the recent apps list or the home screen. Both apps will now run side by side. Step 3. Resize and switch apps on Windows. You'll notice a divider between the two apps. Simply drag the divider up or down to give one app more screen space. This makes multitasking much more comfortable, especially when reading, watching videos, or replying to messages. To switch apps position, tap on the divider and tap Switch Apps to change the position. Step 4. Exit split screen. When you're finished, drag the divider all the way to the top or bottom of the screen. The remaining app will automatically return to full screen mode. If you'd also like to learn how to use floating windows, full screen gestures, screen pinning, or customize your lock screen, we've already created step-by-step tutorials for those. Check the links in the description or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can enable and use split screen on your Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.